Hello everybody, this is Ghost of Onyx, and today we're going to be playing a game called White Noise Online, and it is like Slender, basically, where you have to run around and collect, instead of notes, you have to collect tape recorders, and there's multiplayer and a bunch of different maps, too, so I'd recommend this game greatly. Today I'm going to be playing with Xavier, Zav4444, from UXG. Let's get this started. I'm gonna invite him first. You have a bunch of different characters too, and the more you play, the more you unlock. Hello, Xavier.
Interrupting my doodle jump, bitch.
We're gonna play in Bunker 51 again?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna change difficulty to Nightmare. Just to make it more exciting.
Yum.
Okay.
Oh, my dude's name is Chuck.
Oh, okay. I'm not sure how sanity affects the gameplay. Oh. There's a spot already.
Train.
Okay, I guess we have to go to the left.
Yeah.
Cross over.
Maybe. Can you cross over? They can.
I don't even know.
This is interesting.
The heck?
Can't even go anywhere, so.
It's not even. It's pointless. Okay, let's just keep
You look
going
so
this way.
retarded when you walk over it. You just like hover over it.
Oh, we can walk there.
Oh, I hear whispers.
That's not good.
I hear the whispers saying.
God dang
They're
it.
leading me this way.
Where are you going? Which way?
You see me?
Did you
This
leave
way.
me?
Hold on.
What the hell?
Head back over to the train. This
Go-
way.
Why?
Cause I hear the whispers.
Yeah, you don't go towards the whispers.
Just trust me.
That's where the monster is. Don't want to go towards the whispers. I'll turn my light off then. It's too dark.
Whispers have led me into this room.
Let's go through this door. No tape recording noises yet.
Nope.
Let's just keep going straight. Oh, left. This is a new area. I hear water. There's probably one in... Yeah, I hear it. You hear it now?
Yeah.
There it is.
Oh, I think that's a totem pole too. Yeah, totem pole.
Where?
It's in that jail cell over there.
Let's go around.
To the left. See it?
It's dangerous to look at them. But if you look at them too long, then the monster will spawn. So be careful.
It also makes you go insane.
Yeah, I think that's what it does, actually. Oh, I hear the whispers. Guess we should go this way. Oh, fuck! God damn it.
You down there?
He's down there. Fuck me. Fuck me. God damn it. Oh. Is this a new room? Yes, barrels. Not PewDiePie though.
So no one gives a shit about them.
Oh yeah, this is the submarine room. There's no thing there though.
Oh, look at that face.
Are you still following me? I'm scared to look at my
I'm right behind you. Yeah, Zane, I'm right behind you. Look at me.
Damn it. I did it.
Just get spawned in front of us. You got some real balls, Zane, to stare at me. Oh shit.
Hurts.
Screaming.
Let's go this way. Just continue towards more barrels.
More barrels. Oh shit.
Yeah, I heard that too.
Stop whispering in my ear, you bitch.
Okay, let's go right. Or yeah, let's go right. There's a big area over there. I think. That's all. Yes, this is a
UFO.
spaceship. No, it's not a spaceship. Is it?
What the fuck is this?
I don't know. Nuclear reactor, but I do hear the tape.
Yeah, I do too.
Mars. I can't. It's getting louder over here. Circle around.
It's on that side by the thing, the giant arm.
I found it. Let's go this way. I don't like backtracking in these games. Oh,
I wish I could understand what it was saying.
yeah.
Sadly, you can't. It's not that you can't understand them, it's just that if you wanted to really try, you had to listen. And that takes way too long.
Okay.
Oh,
There
fuck.
it is. Let's go. Oh god, through this door. Oh yeah, new area. Oh no, damn it, it's the trains again.
Let's just go across this time.
Yeah, my light's starting to flicker, so I'm turning it on.
Mine is not.
Yeah, why didn't yours ever flicker?
I think it's because I have a perk that lets me have it longer.
You should leave. Oh fuck,
Oh,
really?
fuck.
That's cheating! Can't spawn in front of us.
Damn it, you little bitch.
Now he's forcing
Fuck
us
you.
across again.
He doesn't want us to go that way. Spawn over here so we can go back, you little bitch. I feel like going
There he
back
is,
that way
there he
now.
is. We have to go across now. Haha,
Fuck.
bitch.
He spawns right back in front of you and kills you. That's what you get for laughing at him, Zane. Wait up, bitch.
Sorry, looks like we gotta cross again anyways.
Oh well.
This train room is pointless. It doesn't take you anywhere. I think we've been here, honestly.
Or maybe a shortcut.
Let's keep going straight.
Give me a second. I'm fucking slow.
I'm sorry.
I think I hear whispers.
Yeah, screw that. I'm not slowing down. Run if you have to.
I'm running. I'm trying to catch up to your fat ass.
Not bad. Oh, here's something.
What the hell was that?
Here's something.
What the fuck was that?
What's what?
It was just like whooshing, and then it vibrated my controller.
Oh, probably him spawning near you.
I didn't see him though. Fuck this game. Can we go left?
I don't want to.
Okay, let's not.
Straight is easy to navigate without a light.
this game.
Okay. And it's like a storage room at the same time.
I hear it. Alone Z. Oh shit! God damn it! He's on the left. Go look on the left.
You scared me, Xavier. And it's in here too. I don't
Fuck. Holy fuck. Where'd he go? Little bastard.
I don't know.
He's across. Oh, I think I see it.
There he is. Found it.
Oh, that's
though.
him. That's his fucking retarded ass over there.
I think he's gone.
I see him.
He disappears when you get the tape. Temporarily, at least.
Where are you?
He just... You lead, because I have no lead.
Where are you?
Behind you.
Okay. As long as you're behind me, then I'm gonna go this way.
I can see your lights. We got 3 tapes.
Oh, Zane. I think I see a totem. Yeah, I see a totem. It's on the left.
We're like in the center of the map.
Fuck, it did it again. You still behind me?
Yeah.
Oh, new room. Oh, no, UFO. Oh, fucking totem was right under it. Is there anything in this room?
Probably not. It's just an
I thought there was a tape in here, though. What the fuck is that? Why is this here?
Where are you going?
Do you see that?
No.
Oh shit, there he is. Fuck. Go this way, Zane. I hear it, I hear it. It's right there, there's the tape. I got it. Thought it was in there. He said, I really don't care anymore. I'm right behind him. I hear a tape as well. Oh fuck. God damn it. Stop! What the fuck is that noise? Do you hear that too? Or is it just my character being a dumbass?
I don't hear anything besides the
It's just
dodo.
like sounds like chains hitting the ground.
Maybe he's... Fuck, really?
Oh fuck me.
Are you dead?
No, I'm so good. We're gonna have to go back into the UFO room.
I don't even know where I'm going anymore. Fuck! Leave me
Damn
alone!
Holy shit, my screen just fucked up. That was really bad.
I don't even know if he'll let us past here. Doesn't seem like it.
Hug the walls. Oh, fucking retard! God damn it! He's there again, Zane.
Just get out of here. That totem
Just go this way.
blocking us.
Go this way. Gotta go back into the UFO room. There's that just freaking dead. There's a grave there. Maybe it's that. Maybe that's where I died the last time. That would make sense. Because I don't know why there's a damn grave there. God damn it! Fucking stop! You piece of shit! Freaking me out.
Oh, this is a weird shaped room. Let's go there. Oh, we were there already.
This way? Are you sure?
Pretty sure we were there already.
Don't remember seeing this shit on the wall.
You better keep
Left
going
or right?
straight. Go right. Oh my god. You need a lead because I can't go in front. I have no light left.
Ah,
Come on.
fuck! Piece of shit!
I guess I'm gonna lead.
Okay.
Blind leading. Oh, maybe no, maybe we were in here. I hear something though.
The bitch keeps fucking spawning. Holy shit. I hear it too. I hear it too. It's gotta be at the front of the room.
God damn it, he's in here.
Where?
To your left. It's in here though, there's a tape. I don't want to leave it.
Let's keep looking.
Is he gone? He's gone.
I hear it as well, see. You're not insane. I'm gonna go head to the back.
Me too. I don't know where this thing is. Fuck, I swear I left. I think I found it. Oh. God damn it, I'm dead.
Oh, that's what you found, boy. Oh, found the tape. I found it. Well, bam. Where's that bitch? No, he's not there anymore. Come on, Zay, you see me? Right here. How about now? I see your dead body.
No, bro. It's fine.
I see dead people, Zane. Well, I like how your thing changes at the top whenever you die. You turn blue. Holy fucking mother. Which way, Zane? Right or no, left? It has to be left. Oh shit. God damn it!
We might have to end the
That's
video.
not good. Alright, let's just end it.
Okay, well.